Ciao and welcome back to the series about Italian verbs where you can learn the conjugation, pronunciation and practical examples of the most important Italian verbs. I'm Beata from the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Join me to learn and let's get started. Today we will learn the verb fare, which means to do or to make. Let's start with its conjugation in the present tense. Repeat after me to practice the pronunciation. Io faccio. Tu fai. Lui fa. Lei fa. Noi facciamo. Voi fate. Loro fanno. Fare is an irregular verb, so its forms are unique and need to be memorized. But don't worry, we will practice them together. Let's see how to use fare in everyday sentences. Repeat after me to practice. Io faccio colazione alle 7. Tu fai sport ogni giorno? Lei fa una torta per la festa. Noi facciamo una passeggiata dopo cena. Voi fate un viaggio in Italia? Loro fanno troppo rumore. As you can see, fare is one of the most versatile verbs in Italian and is used in many everyday expressions. To practice, try using fare in a sentence about yourself. For example, io faccio yoga ogni mattina. Feel free to share your sentence in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use fare in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao!